Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the boAt A350 USB-C cable. There is a photograph of the USB-C cable in question. It comes with a braided cable, as you can see. There's a lot of information here. This is a 3 ampere cable. It supports speed up to 418 mbps. It's a 1.5mm cable and comes with 2 years warranty. Okay, a lot of information here. Reverse metallic aluminium tips, durable PVC housing, premium braiding, and tangle-free cable. That's more or less all the information in this box. Let's just open it and show this particular cable to you. So there you are. This is a sticker from boAt. It's written boAt head written all over it. And this is the warranty card for this particular device, for this particular cable. There you go. This is the braided cable in question. This is the USB-C type cable. This is what it looks like. This is a 1.5 meter long cable. So USB-A on one side and USB-C on the other. This is the braided cable in question. This is 1.5 meter long braided cable. It's a very thick braided cable, by the way. It's also very tough. It will not break or tear easily and will keep it relatively tangle free. And also this is the reverse metallic aluminium tip in question. This is what makes this particular USB-C type much faster than a lot of other C-type cables. This is what you find inside the box containing the boAt A350 USB-C cable. Thank you for watching.